Hi, I'm Tamika Ellsworth, and I've been a realtor for over a decade. I'm here to tell you what happens after your offer's been accepted. Congratulations! You did it!
You can do it!
Hey, but slow your roll, hasty home buyer. You're not finished yet. You might think it's time to get the keys and start moving in, but there are several things that you still need to do before this thing is official. First thing, put down an earnest money deposit. Earnest money is the cash that you offer to essentially call dibs on the house. Dibs! You'll issue a check to an escrow account where it will sit until you're ready to close. 2, do your buyer's investigation and get an appraisal done. So this is your chance to do your homework on the house. Okay, so you pour over crime reports, property history, and disclosures. Also, get an inspection done to make sure your dream home doesn't have any major problems. But at the same time, you would schedule also an appraisal to give you a detailed report on the value of the home. So if the home's appraised value is less than the purchase price, you'll need to either make up the difference or negotiate with the seller to lower the price. So number 3, request for repairs. So when you did your inspection, did the home inspector find shoddy wiring?
Toasty!
Or are the floors buckling? So now is your chance to request that the seller deals with it. Remember, they don't have to do it, but it never hurts to ask. 4, do the final walkthrough. You'll be allowed to do a final walkthrough up to 5 days before closing. And this is your last opportunity to check out the new home and hold the seller accountable. Now remember, is the place in the same condition as when you wrote the offer? If not, the closing may be delayed. Hey, hope you've practiced your John Hancock, because this is the part where you put your signature to an endless pile of documents. You want to bring your checkbook too, because you'll need to pay for the remainder of your down payment and the rest of the closing cost. Sounds like a party, right? Don't worry, you can celebrate soon. The keys are coming.